Hey doctors, this is Dr. Mitch. I'm returning to California to speak at the Winter in the Desert seminar. I'll be presenting on Saturday, February 11th at the Westin Rancho Mirage Golf Resort and Spa. I look forward to presenting the secrets of scapular dynamics for shoulder conditions, injuries, and syndromes. In addition to live demonstrations, I'll be providing instruction on orthopedic and clinical examination, and I'll feature conditions such as rotator cuff impingement syndrome, thoracic outlet syndrome, AC joint separation, cervical brachial syndrome, and how the Valix phenomena of peripheral joints affect the spine. More importantly, how undetected shoulder issues cause recalcitrant and/or chronic neck and upper middle back problems. Earn up to 12 CE hours featuring live hands-on technique training. Register with Cal Cairo at the link provided. I look forward to seeing you soon.